So hello everyone, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about the virtual destructor and this program. Discussing this program, I think we will able to understand what is the concept of virtual destructor. Okay, let's see this one. Say we have a class base and here we have this one, public access specifier, the constructor. I'm going to write the constructor function, constructor of base, and next I'm going to write the destructor of it. Using the tilde operator we can write it. Okay, so this is the function definition. Sorry, yes, it's okay. The class definition is ended. Now I'm going to write the class derived using the public access specifier. Using the public access specifier mode, I'm going to define the class destructor. Okay, fine. Derived okay, fine. Now the definition of derived class is also completed. Now so I'm writing domain and creating the base class pointer, and we know that the base class pointer can hold the address of the derived class. The object of the derived class can be, that means if we have this concept, say this one, this is the base class pointer. Now it can hold the derived class object also. Okay, derived class object. So that's why we are writing here derived, say D or P equals to, say I'm writing new derived. Okay, and delete P. See what happened then. The name of it, so here we have created this one. Now see, constructor of base class is called, then constructor of derived class is called, but only the destructor of the base class is called. We know the concept that it is only called that when it is here the pointer is type compatible with the base class, and that's why the base class destructor will be invoked, not the derived class destructor. So only the base part will be deleted. Now if we are writing here virtual, and now check, now see, constructor of the base class, constructor of the derived class, now destructor of the derived class, then destructor of the base class is called. Okay. So here you can see one thing, derived class object is constructed using a new operator, and the base class pointer object holds the address of the derived class, and when the base class pointer is holding the address of it, that time the base classes constructor as well as the derived classes constructor is invoked. But in the next case we are not able to see the base classes only the base classes destructor will be called without using the virtual. That time the concept of it is that the type compatibility. But always remember that destructor can be virtual, and this one is known as the concept of virtual destructor. Destructor can be virtual, but constructor cannot be virtual, because whenever you are using the constructor, so the virtual concept is a bucket with half filled. The bucket information is half filled. So using the half filled information, that means information which is not completed, you are not going to create the object. If it is completed, then you can create the object of it. And here the problem is if you are using the virtual as constructor, that time the information is not completely given, so you are not able to create the object. So always remember, the constructor cannot be virtual, but the destructor can be virtual, and in this situation we need the virtual destructor. Hope you can understand. If you have any question, any query, please write it in comment box. Thank you everyone.